just Danish weather.
Ah, I'm getting wet now.
Yeah, look at this.
It had just stopped raining almost, and then
Yeah.
we're like, okay, it's time, it's now. My parents were just over, so we were like, they said that they would drive us to the shop, but then we were like, then we don't even get out at all today.
Yeah, and we were like, oh my god, it just stopped raining almost, it'll be fine, no problem. And then this shit happens. Now these umbrellas are like super fucking broken. Yeah. Try to fix it with a rubber band. We will see you guys later. Bye-bye.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Getting ready for a new vlog.
Yeah, releasing Florence Day 9.
I just made my breakfast. There's not a muesli on yet. I'm eating this, which is okay, but like I had to put some more chocolate on because even though it says there's cocoa on it, you can't even taste it. So I had to put a little on.
We are going to a shopping mall.
Let's go to the mall
Yeah.
today. It's Tuesday. Did we say that? No, it's Tuesday. We didn't vlog
It's
anything.
Tuesday.
I think yesterday.
We're taking off Julie's shoes apparently. She's tying some very weird knots.
No, it's double.
Yeah, double knots. That was one. And then we get number 2. How's your phone? It went like, did it? Did it?
Where's my phone?
Your phone is in my pocket. Siri, find yourself. Siri?
I think it's Danish.
Okay, I think it turned down the volume. Yeah, look, it's Siri.
Siri, turn down the volume.
What?
What are you doing? What did
Okay, Julie doesn't want to do the shopping haul.
No!
She's not coming out. Just a second, we don't have a second. Come out. Shopping haul. Shopping haul, lady. Come on. Come on out. I don't think she's coming out. Then I guess we'll just have to do it ourselves. Today we went shopping and we got all of these amazing things. Get your ass out here. Then I'll just start for real. Hello.
Bought tartlets.
Yeah. Bought some tartlets. And then we bought this huge bag. And there's not very much of it that is our actual dinner. Soda. Oops, 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 oops. Very much oops.
There's no space.
No space. Okay. And then we bought some chicken for the tartlets. And we of course bought asparagus.
Like people know what we're actually eating. It's like a Danish sort of Christmas dish.
Yeah. And then we did something very, very forbidden, and we bought toffee. And not just one of the small ones, nope. 48 pieces, 400 grams, baby.
Hello, it's me.
Nice to sweet you. Yeah,
Bought a new kind.
we bought a new kind as well. So yeah, we've been pretty damn bad. We actually went out to buy 3 things for dinner. This, and tartlets, which are over here. But yeah, we also got Julie a new charger for her phone.
And if you're really interested, I got this for my nigga.
Yeah,
It's just
to loosen it up. Yeah. And did we get anything else?
ice
Oh, yeah.
cream.
Yeah, this is for putting presents in.
And then we found something we didn't know if we could get and just took it.
Yeah, we found this one.
The one we had in our taste test.
Yes.
If you haven't seen our taste test, then we'll link it below.
Yup. Anyway, I think, isn't that all we got?
Yes.
Yes. So now it's time to chill.
I lay here for the rest of the day.
Okay, Julie's confirmed not cooking dinner, so I'm gonna have to do the toilets. And I'm not the greatest cook in the world. You just gonna lay there until I serve your stuff? Okay, we'll see you later, guys.
Hello! It's Thursday today and we just came home from IKEA and grocery shopping.
It's super hot. And we've just been shopping. And we kind of managed to buy a mountain of stuff. Yeah.
We were actually supposed to have burgers for dinner.
Yeah.
Like on the grill on the barbecue, because it is such a good weather. But none of us was really too keen on barbecue today. So instead we got all of these stuff.
Yep. And lots of discount stuff.
Yeah, we got these sausages, the chorizo sausages that we want.
Chorizo snacks.
I don't know if they're hot.
I don't know either.
Actually got another one as well.
Yes, a big one.
It's also
Piquant.
Okay, then we chose. Oh yeah. I don't really like tea because I don't think it tastes so much.
Yeah.
So we found this tea which was with cocoa and peppermint and maybe also some licorice.
Yeah.
Because just really loves it when we drink tea in the evening, but I just think it's so boring because it's like it's cozy to drink tea, but I just don't like it. So now we're trying with this so we can have some cozy evening tea time.
And then some tomato puree.
That was really interesting. It's because we're gonna have lasagna, some minced beef,
And got some
and
cheese for lasagna.
milk for the bechamel, bacon for the sauce.
And we got some Nesquik because it was on sale.
It was insanely on sale. It was
Super
33% off. So
Damn.
then we got this. The excitement levels are insane.
This is what we got that last night in Florence, basically. These
yeah.
four.
Three types.
So we're very excited about that.
So I'm gonna have to try to make some dough balls.
Yep.
Not as in like donut hole.
No.
Kind of dough. Some yeast. And some roses, lime, syrup for
mojito.
Oh, and we were also in IKEA again.
Yeah.
Cause
And we fucked up.
no, there's no space for this. Love it. Because we were gonna go there to get some scented candles, I guess. And we did get scented candles, that's for sure.
Yep.
Look at this.
We bought
They're
way too
all
many.
scented candles.
Way too many.
We paid 117 Danish kroner, which is like...
It's fucking crazy. It's like 17 euros, 16 euros maybe.
Insane. But I think that you guys would be super interested to know which kind of scented candles we got. So I'm gonna tell you. Okay, I started with my least favorite one. It's an apple one. This was Jesper, he was like really interested in that. Yeah, that's the one we burned last night. It can't burn any longer, even though there's still some candle stuff in there. Okay, then we got like the same one as that one. An orange one. And then we got, I don't know, these three, I can't decide which one's my favorite. This is a vanilla scented candle. And it smells like the richest vanilla ice cream you've ever smelled. Awesome. Okay, I think we have had these before. These are like coconut flavored. They are also damn delicious smelling. And then this big mofo brownie smelling candle. So that was my.
Lots of good candles.
Yeah. And now we're so toasted because it's so warm.
I was supposed to be repairing my computer, but the mailman was here early today. For once, the one day he could be late. He was here early, and then I didn't get my keyboard because my keyboard on my laptop is broken.
But you'll get it tomorrow.
Yes, but I wanted to fix it today. We need something to drink.
Yeah. And I need to start on dinner because the dinner has to be in the oven. On the stove for quite a while. And I just want to chill on the couch. What time is it?
Are you recording?
What time is it?
It's dinner time.
Lasagna time. The ragu has been boiling away for 2.5, 3 hours.
This is what I don't look at me. I don't know how many hours.
I made the pasta stuff, like the pasta of it, myself. And I drew this bechamel and cheese, and oh, it's so good. Should we taste this?
Let's see if I can taste. It seems so warm. I'm blowing away the napkins.
It's good.
It's good. Philly told me to vlog, so I'm vlogging.
Oh, you can't even see it.
Nah, it's not possible to see yet. But if I zoom in. Wait. Yeah, I can see it actually. But not very well.
Hurry up so we can reach flowers.
Jeez. You can barely see it. If I zoom, I need to stand still if I
It's
zoom
moving
in.
so fast down. Oh, you can't even see the top of it.
Nope. Oh well.
Hurry up. Can you see this? It's going down now.
You can maybe zoom in and see.
I am zooming.
Are you zooming?
It looks so insane.
Super red.
The sun is actually completely red, and then there's like blue around it, but you can't see.
It's like waves. You can
Oh,
see
that actually looks better on the
Holy
camera.
crap. That's crazy.
Oh, now you can see a little bit better.
Oh, nice. Very nice.
But it's not light, it's completely red.
Sitting in the couch. Julie's watching vlogs. And yeah. I got cuts all over my hands. Finished my dinner. I've been trying to fix my PC. As you can see, it's looking very, very nice, right? It's this little fucking bastard screw, which won't get off. So I'm kind of trying to cut it up. So I can put a new, shiny, nice keyboard on. But yes. This is all for the week vlogs. So we will be seeing you in the weekend.